G'day all, welcome to the 2025 Avalon International Air Show. Here we are at the Australian Defence Force Cadet display. Here I am currently in a DA-40 aircraft. Let's get on through and check out the rest of the display.
Hi, welcome. You're in the Army Cadet 11x11. We have our ration packs. So this is basically an explosion of what we get at cadets. We have our navigation set up with some maps, protractors and pace counters. And then we follow us around. And we have a setup of what we usually have on display when we go outfield. So we have our hoochie and some field gear. We have some ceremonial wear as well.
Hi and welcome to Australian Navy Cadets. We've got our electives here, which are two of my favourite, sailing and drumming, as well as powerboating. Over here is our STEM courses, as well as robotics and drone flying. Down here we've got our first aid. We've got all our knot tying here. And over here we've got our catamaran, which we go out and sail.
Welcome to the Australian Air Force Cadets staff recruiting stand. We are always looking for volunteers. If you'd like to become one of our staff members, we've got all the information that you require. Just come and speak to one of our friendly staff here and we can go from there. Let's go and have a look at the paper planes.
Welcome to our paper planes display. Here the goal is to create your own paper plane and throw it and aim to get it inside that hangar. Let's go check out the drone display.
Hi, I'm Cadet Warrant Officer Gohill, and here we are at the drone display in AAFC. We have 3 different types of drone displays, and behind me is the co-drones. So in the co-drones, what happens is that you can program the drones to fly through this obstacle course. Okay, let's head down to the bed making competition.
Think you can make your hospital corners like this? Come down to the bed making competition to see how well and how fast you can make your bed. See you at the air show.